Hi, I'm Lisa from Approveit, and today I want to discuss the following case with you. Imagine the situation. You have your purchase order, so you create your purchase order and you need your purchase order to be approved and recorded in your accounting software. And then later on, you need to create a bill or invoice that is linked to that purchase order, and this bill or invoice also needs to be approved. This can now easily be done with the help of Approveit. So let me show you how. So as you need to approve your purchase order and then you need to approve bill, you need to create two workflows. One workflow for the purchase order, so you need to specify what fields will be in your purchase order and who should be approving this purchase order. And the second workflow for the bill. Again, you need to specify what fields you will have in the bill and who will be approving that bill or that invoice, right? And also you want your requesters, if the right vendor is not there, then you want the vendor to be added by the requester. And of course, the vendor needs to be approved as well. So you need the third workflow for the vendor approval. Then, with the help of the feature called pipeline, you can connect the three workflows. So basically, you start by connecting your purchase order and bill. You can see it right here. So your purchase order and bills, they are connected. So first of all, your purchase order is created and approved, then bill is created and approved. But before that, you also have this vendor pre-approval. So if you are creating a purchase order and your vendor is not in the vendor list, then you are adding the vendor, and this vendor will also be approved. So this vendor will also undergo the approval process. This is how you set up the process. Let me show you how it works and how it looks for the requester. So when I'm creating my approval request, first of all, I'm creating my purchase order, right? And then I'm selecting my organization. So if you have just one organization, you will not have these drop-down options. So let me select. Then you can either select the vendor from the vendor list, or if the needed vendor is not here, then you can just click here, add new vendor, and add the vendors that you need. Okay, imagine that the vendor that I need is here, so I just click ABC, okay, and then I fill the rest of the form. So I fill item name, price, quantity, tax rate, and total will be calculated automatically. Okay, I've entered everything, and now I just click send request. Okay, now you can see how my process looks like. I can see that my purchase order is in progress, meaning that my purchase order is awaiting approval, right? Once my purchase order is approved, then I will be able to proceed and create the bill section. And also, all the information that is already entered in the purchase order will be automatically copied to my bill. If I need to change it, of course, I'll be able to change it, but uh, if I don't need to change it, my information will be inside the bill that I will be creating. And of course, this bill will be linked to the purchase orders that I have already created. That's how it works. You can also go inside this purchase order and you can view the request details and you can view who should be approving your purchase order. So it's easy. That's all. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you for your time.